If you're looking for the best ready-to-install sub-satellite system on the market, you don't want to miss this video. In this edition of What's in the Box, we're unboxing the new QSC AD-P.Halo. The AD-P.Halo is a purpose-built, integrated sub-satellite pendant loudspeaker system that's ready to install right out of the box. That's right, no more assembly required, no more on-site headaches, just hang it and go. This hassle-free design simplifies and expedites the installation process, lowering the overall project cost and allows you to focus on great audio. Designed for the business music installations where music drives the atmosphere, it features a 6.5-inch subwoofer and 4 2 3/4 transducers mounted in a single pendant-style enclosure. The AD-P.Halo brings high performance and musicality to high-end retail and hospitality applications where sound drives the atmosphere. The 200-watt RMS power rating provides significant dynamic headroom that far surpasses the background music performance of traditional two-way pendant-mount loudspeakers. The AD-P.Halo joins the AcousticDesign Series portfolio of loudspeakers, which offers sleek aesthetic design, a high-quality sound across multiple form factors including ceiling mount, pendant mount, and surface mount. This rounds out the business music portfolio that QSC is now offering. Let me show you how easy it is to install the AD-P.Halo. All right, let's check out what's in the box. This one's gonna be really easy because there's not a whole lot that's actually in the box. This unit comes fully assembled. There's some hardware that you need for suspending it, but other than that, it's pretty easy. So first off, we've got the AD-P.Halo speaker. Like I said, it's already fully assembled and ready to go out of the box. Just pull it out, take it out of its bag. We've got all the hardware that you're gonna need for suspending the loudspeaker. We have 2 aircraft cables with quick clips for hanging the speaker. And remember, always use 2 for safety. We've got 2 gripples for adjusting those aircraft cables. We've got a speaker gland nut and a transformer covering plate. And then also some zip ties and some mounting hardware. And the best part about this speaker that comes in the box is the warranty. The AD-P.Halo has a 3-year warranty, so you know that you're backed by QSC's awesome warranty program. Now let me show you how easy it is to hang the AD-P.Halo. Hang the speaker from the suspension point and connect your wired Euro connector to the speaker. Set your tap to the desired wattage. Low Z input, 70 volt or 100 volt taps are all available. Attach the covers over the connections and the taps, and you're done. It's really that easy. Less time on the ladder and better audio coverage in your space. See how easy it was to install an AD-P.Halo? Since doing speaker demos on YouTube don't do them justice, you should reach out to us at audiobiz.com and we can arrange an in-person demo, or we can ship you a unit to try out for your installation. As always, if you have something to say to us, make a comment below, and remember, subscribe to the channel. We love to hear from you guys. We'll see you in the next video.